Ever wondered why Sherlock Holmes was always a step ahead? Could it be his uncanny observation skills? Indeed, the art of keen observation often separates the good from the great, the novice from the master. So, how about we dive into the world of observation skills today? Observation skills, two words that encompass a world of wisdom. They are not merely about seeing, they are about understanding and interpreting the world around us. They involve noticing nuances, patterns, and changes that others might miss, and using this information to make predictions, solve problems, and make decisions. First, let's explore what observation skills really are. Simply put, they are the ability to notice, examine, and interpret the world around us. It's the difference between seeing a tree and noticing the pattern of its bark, the shape of its leaves, and the way its branches sway in the wind. It's about seeing the whole picture, as well as the finer details. Why are observation skills important, you may ask? Imagine a scientist without the ability to observe, or a detective unable to notice the smallest of clues. Observation skills are critical in almost every field. They help us to understand the world more deeply, to learn from our environment, and to make informed decisions. So how can one improve these skills? Practice, in a word. Start by paying more attention to your surroundings. Notice the details, the color of the sky, the sound of the wind, the smell of the rain. Try to recall these details later. This not only improves memory, but also hones observation skills. Try different observation techniques. For instance, in the framing technique, imagine a frame around a certain scene and focus on every detail within that frame. This helps in focusing on one thing at a time and noticing details that might otherwise go unnoticed. Another technique is the compare and contrast method. Look at two similar objects or scenes and note down all the differences and similarities. This not only sharpens observation, but also improves analytical skills. In addition, nurture curiosity and ask questions. The more questions you ask about the world around you, the more you will observe. To summarize, observation skills are about noticing, interpreting, and learning from our environment. They are critical in many fields and can be improved with practice and the use of certain techniques. So, the next time you step outside, remember, there's a whole world to observe and understand. Be like Sherlock and let your observation skills lead the way. Remember, the world is full of wonders for those who take the time to observe. So keep exploring, keep observing, and keep learning. And who knows, maybe you'll discover something extraordinary just by observing.